Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me ZTE Blade A53 Plus device. And now we'll unbox it. So in front of me, ultra low cost device, and let's talk about it, and let's see on it first. So here as you can see, we have the protection and we need to remove it. So maybe I can do it with my... Okay. I'll try to do it in the normal way. Okay. So... I need to have a new knife. Okay, let's open it and let's see on it. So, as you know, this is the ultra budget device, so of course we can't have expensive box with the device. So, it's really lightweight. Okay, so what we have here? Here we have the USB cable. I don't want to open it. Here we have the charging block, ZTE travel charger. Charging block we have for 10 watts, as you can see. Output, go back. And what we have here we have instruction app. Yeah, the book with the... Oh no, it's not the instruction, it's the battery. Oh, maybe because of it, this device is really lightweight. Of course, okay. Okay, cool. So maybe firstly we need to open the cover of this device. So let's open the cover, and maybe I will break my nails if I will do it with the nails, but I'll try to do it for you. It's really hard to do it first time. And let's open the battery. Okay. Let's insert the battery. As you can see, it's helping to detect how much RAM we have. We have 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and it means that this device is not for daily using. This device only for one function. For example, if you wanna buy devices for the office, if you work in the call center and you need to have your device, so this device will be a good decision, because you will not be able to install a lot of applications on this device, because 2 GB of RAM. So sorry, you can't use Messenger, WhatsApp, and I don't know, Signal app on this device at the same time, because it will very freezy to use, and it's not possible to use with more application. And let's enable it. Okay, we can enable it. Let's remove this foil. And cool. So what we have here? Here we have the battery for 4,000 of milliamperes. This is the LiPo polymer battery. Here we have Android OS 12 Go. So it's not Android 13. And it will not get the update for Android 13 and 14, of course, too. So it will work only with Android 12 Go. So this is the lightweight Android OS. So let be English, start, skip all, skip everything. Setup offline, I will see just on it. But I need to say that here we have really good display. I thought the display will be worse. but it looks not bad. Really, for this price, it's really great display. So here we have normal liquid crystal LCD screen. We have here the camera, only one block. As you can see, here we have the flashlight, and here we have the AI image. That's it. So here is the camera. And selfie camera. What about selfie camera? With selfie camera, I don't know anything about it, because I have no information about selfie camera in the internet. Okay, we have selfie camera and it's good. So what about the quality of images? So for example, I wanna take a capture. So I want to take a picture. I have taken a picture. Click on this image and wait for processing, and let's see. As you can see, the small text is readable. So this device is for office worker, for example, and only for work. So you need to take an image of the document, send it, and that's it. And for example, call to someone or something about it. So maybe that's it. Here we have USB, micro USB. Oh my gosh! As you can see, here we have micro USB. It's not the USB Type-C. This device was prepared to use with USB Type-C, but as you can see, here we have micro USB. Here we have the fingerprint, so we were able to unlock our device with the fingerprint. Here we have the power button and volume up and down buttons, mini jack, and the speaker is here. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.